Hey everybody, thanks for joining us on today's video. Everybody has that car they remember from the past, because I get those stories every day, many times a day, from people who remember that. This one here is kind of near and dear to my heart. First off, I love the color combination. This is a real deal anniversary car, and I was looking at some of the stuff that we have here about it. In '78, I was able to wash cars at a car dealership, and it was the first car I got to drive, right? And so it was like a high-performance car, and I got to take it out, and I was so bitten by it because it was so beautiful. I mean, look at the humps and bumps and things that go in this car. The red interior makes it so different than all the other cars that are out there. The big wheel and tire combination, it's just a great looking car. You'd be very surprised. These cars are still pretty fast, right? Maybe they don't have huge horsepower output numbers, but they go down the road fast. They have four-wheel disc brakes. They have a four-wheel independent suspension, and they can go quickly from being like a sealed winter car that you could drive, you know, in the fall or the dead of cold of winter, right? Or into a quick convertible, right? Because you can get these nice little T-top bags, all right? And in a matter of seconds, you can go right to T-top protection and removal, and boom, you're ready to roll. All right, let's take a peek under here. This is kind of nice because it's an uncomplicated engine compartment. I can see the whole engine. I can see the air conditioning compressor. I can see the power brakes for the power four-wheel disc brakes. Power windows, right? This has telescopic steering wheel on it. It's set up for cruise control. I can't promise you the cruise control works, but I know the AC works and the power windows work, and a lot of the other accoutrements are working the way they're supposed to, and that's why this car drives so well. It was a pretty expensive car when you think about it during its day. The anniversary cars were loaded with equipment, all this same color. The interior is just, when we get inside, you're going to go, wow, that is really a nice interior. They're very modern kind of driving cars for being as old as they are, especially with the four-wheel independent suspension, the four-wheel disc brakes, stuff like that. So they really do go down the road. I'm excited to find out, once you get a car like this, what you think of it. I want to talk about this part of the car for a second, because if I removed this emblem, right, everyone in the world, regardless of what they drove, would still know what this is. This is an iconic body style. These taillights, this Coke bottle shape, right, is a beautiful feature. Keep in mind, this car has been produced from 1968 to 1982, almost the identical car everywhere. The frame underneath of it's been around since '63. Right, since '63, that's a long time for one car, but it works so well. And this right here, the styling is great. This car is amongst a lot of supermodels in here, but out on the road, it's all by itself. It looks spectacular. Everybody loves it. Thumbs up. They remember Corvette. How many movies have a Corvette been in? And this is exactly what other people will see, because, again, it is still pretty fast. All right, so check this out back here. This is where the T-top bags would go with the storage, or soft luggage, or both of those items, because the T-top bags, T-tops sit on top of each other. They're strapped down. They have their own little seat belt, kind of cute. And then you have lots of room for soft bags, luggage, and things like that. This is a great car to go away on the weekend in, and I'll show you why once we get inside here, okay? So when I say that this is a modern car, right, a modern car, you have things like a tilt steering wheel. Check out this right here. A lot of people don't even know this exists. Telescopic steering wheel. Power windows, right? This has an upgraded digital sound system. It looks stock, but it has upgrades to it. This has air conditioning, the removable T-tops, all new red leather interior, door panels, dash, seat covers, like all that stuff. And I think, quite honestly, when they built these cars, they put somebody in a seat and had them hold the wheel, and they built the door panel and all of this stuff around them, because you just sit in here perfectly as you're rolling down the road. Now, this has a 140 mile an hour speedometer, and full gauges as well. That's the great thing about a Corvette. You know you're getting good stuff. 7,000 RPM tack, and all the gauges are here in the center pod. Another nice little feature that I like to talk about sometimes is when the clock works. So if the clock is working, like, that's a big deal to me. And you might say, well, Tone, it's supposed to work, right? No, it's not supposed to work, because 2 or 3 years later, after it was built, the clock stopped working, okay? This one means that somebody spent the time to wire the car properly, restore the car properly, do the things that make for a much nicer car. All right, so we close up with this iconic anniversary Corvette, the great looking two-tone paint, all of the stuff we talked about, man, like air conditioning and power four-wheel disc brakes and four-wheel fully independent suspension, the power windows and air conditioning, all the luxury stuff inside, the T-tops that come off so nicely, new visors and seat covers and steering wheel and all the stuff that goes into a car to make it a really nice car. I promise you, if you try to restore a car like this, you would spend at least twice as much as you'd have to pay for one already done. I've done it a couple times. I'm telling you, man, don't do it. Buy something that's already been done so you can be driving it next weekend. Otherwise, it'll be 2 years, a lot of frustration. It'll feel like an additional part-time job in your life. It's not a place you want to be. So call us, 301-816-1000. We'll tell you all about this anniversary Corvette, right? Don't forget to share this with some friends if you would, please, and make sure you like the video. And I'd also love to hear some comments, man. Maybe you had one. Maybe your dad had one or parents had one, right? And you got some great stories that you'd like to add to that. And we have some driving footage as well. Check out that after this, and you are going to love it.